Hey, here's train 9. High five.
Not yet. Yes, time.
High five, Tyler.
Oh,
High five. Is that awesome?
Yeah. 4 trains one day. Come on.
I don't think if it's a big white. I don't know if it's a very big white though. Small? Can we zoom in? I can zoom in and see it. Short. Short one. Short. I can see it. I can. It's a short one.
Tyler, look at that Mustang coming up.
Woo! That's a GT 500.
Tell them to light it up. They'll know what it means. Tell them to light it up.
All right, here it
They'll know
comes.
what it means.
I'm gonna start filming. Here it comes, Tyler. 3117. I think the number is 3117. Here it comes. Here it comes, Tyler. High five.
Oh, that was coming in fast.
High five.
That one's coming in hot, not as hot.
Hey!
Oh, come on, it's a train! Hey, I've been watching this trip.
Told ya, it's a story. I think that's it. Come on. I wish you waved.
No, he was watching the railroad.
Where's Lucas?
Richmond, Virginia.